Hi everyone, John Jackson here in one more video, and today I'm going to talk about VirtualBox. It has an extremely and functional tool inside VirtualBox called Remote Desktop or Remote Screen, and it provides a way to connect your local machine on your local area network and other computer. For example, you have a computer running some virtual machine and another computer connect on your computer remotely for manage that virtual machine. VirtualBox has a protocol called VRDP, VirtualBox Remote Display Protocol. It's very similar to Microsoft's RDP, and you can use any client for connecting on this, like R desktop, KRDC on KDE, and so whatever. And on this video we're gonna try the Microsoft Remote Desktop client. So this video is sponsored by my complete VirtualBox online course, available on udemy.com, and it teaches how to use VirtualBox from complete scratch to hero, and the link for this course is in the first link on the description below. So let's go to our main topic today. I have here on my web browser the docs.oracle.com, and here we have a complete documentation about this theme, remote display VRDP support. And here we have a complete description and complete documentation about this, and we have here to virtualbox.org, and you have here a large documentation too about this subject. First of all, you need to have an extension package installed on your VirtualBox installation. For this, let's go to virtualbox.org, and here click on downloads here, and here we have a VirtualBox extension pack. You gotta this one installed on your computer for the remote desktop working good. So let's go to VirtualBox Manager. Here we have a virtual machine with Windows XP installed. Yeah, I have Windows XP and 2020. So for enable this tool, you're gonna go to settings here, and here let's do display, remote display. For default, this tool is disabled, but you only need check this box, and here we gotta set the server port. You gotta leave a unique server port for each virtual machine. This time I'm gonna set this one for 5555, an authentication method new, and okay. Just click on OK and start your VM. So while this one starts, I'm gonna go to remote desktop connection client, and I'm gonna open my terminal and type here IP config to see my host IP. And as you can see here, I'm gonna copy this one and paste here, colon 5555. So here we have my virtual machine charged, but I only minimize this one, and here click on connect, here click on yes, and data. I have here my Windows XP connected on my remote desktop client, and I can hear manager through the network my remote virtual machine. So it's a completely installed virtual machine, but I can use it for I'm gonna close and power off this machine, and I'm gonna show you the second example. So I have here an installed virtual machine, and I'm gonna show you how to install from scratch remotely. First of all, let's go to settings, display, remote display, and here I'm gonna set the server port to 6666 and OK. And this time I'm gonna start with headless mode, and here I'm gonna change this port for 6666. Connect, yes, and here I'm gonna change it for Ubuntu. So as you can see, it works for installed systems. So I'm gonna wait a little bit the loading. So I'm gonna click on try Ubuntu. As you can see here, the Ubuntu desktop are working good and completely remote. So that's it for today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel, and see you at the next time. Bye.